So Delhi Heart also has this one sorry, not Delhi Heart. Also the other place is this Pragati Maidan. Pragati Maidan has a national museum. So when you go in, they have these places where they have bamboo and jute construction, because they want to promote architecture and design, and they want to save, spirituality and religion and stuff like that. And artisans are sitting there and selling stuff. So if you were to start from home, you could use those. So if you have, let's say, a jute pencil box, or you have a bamboo, like a pencil holder, or you have anything which has got a container probably, or you got a series of trays and stuff, so you could use those. And I'm not just saying that you can use those for nature. You can have a candle display, you can have flowers put in those, you can have some nice lighting done in it. You can have soaps placed in the washrooms or in your offices or whatever. So the list goes on. So design gives you this kind of it gives you this huge variety to kind of offer to clients and customers and stuff. So you can think of it that way. And the recent trends, and for many years, Wicker and Kane is in. So furniture is there. So we've got beds, we've got sofas, we've got chairs in those. So anybody wants to take a look at those, the ready pictures are with us, and those can be done. And these are actually hand made ones, and they are made by artisans and laborers who spend a lot of